Nikon D3500, crowned as the best DSLR budget camera of 2024. This model is Nikon's top entry-level SLR camera, perfect for those diving into the world of DSLRs for the first time. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, it even includes a tutorial mode to help you learn the ropes. Despite its simplicity, it's packed with features that rival higher-tier cameras. The Nikon D3500 boasts a 24-megapixel sensor, 11 autofocus points, and can shoot at 5 frames per second. It also offers live view mode, full HD video recording, and ISO sensitivity ranging from 100 to 25,600, making it suitable for low light scenes. The guide mode is particularly handy for beginners, providing step-by-step instructions on how to take great photos even if you're new to SLR photography. The 24MP sensor is among the best on the market, delivering sharp, clean images. However, the D3500 falls slightly lower in our ranking of the best beginner DSLRs because it lacks some features found in other models. The LCD screen neither tilts nor swivels and isn't touch sensitive, which can limit usability. Additionally, the autofocus system with just 11 points doesn't cover the entire frame, making it harder to track moving subjects. Yet for those with little or no experience, the Nikon D3500 remains an excellent choice. It supports high-precision focusing and has a continuous shooting speed of 5 frames per second, which is great for capturing moving objects. You can also record 60p HD video, adding to its versatility. One of the standout features is its battery life, capable of 1,550 shots on a single charge, outperforming many competitors. Whether you're exploring DSLR photography or need a compact, affordable model for travel, the Nikon D3500 is a fantastic option. Plus, it's compatible with a broad range of Nikon lenses, enhancing its flexibility. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here.